The black and white cookies.
So anytime we make cookies, we start with our dry ingredients first.
Right.
We want to start with some flour, some baking soda, some salt, some baking powder.
We're
gonna have you do this today, Rachel.
All
we're
right.
gonna have you make some cookies with us.
Yes.
And then we're gonna mix that in, and we're just gonna throw a little salt in there too, a little sticky. And we're gonna set that aside. And we will be creaming our butter and our sugars together.
Yes.
And
that's this guy here.
And
It's
it's
over there.
already creamed for you. Everything's all set, and we're just gonna put some wet ingredients. We have a little lemon extract. We have some vanilla extract. Yes.
Very important.
Yes, and we have.
I love the hint of lemon
Yes.
and vanilla, and I love salt in any sweet.
Right.
Absolutely, and the lemon actually is. Thank you. The lemon is actually a little unorthodox for a black and white cookie, but we just wanted to have a little pop, and what's better than lemon?
I appreciate that. I think it's really
a
fabulous idea. Add this?
Exactly, you can add the egg, and then we're just gonna mix that in.
And what's this guy?
That is sour cream. We're not gonna get to that yet. I know it sounds a little crazy. We are not making tacos, but we're making amazing cookies, and it's just gonna add that extra pop to the cookie. It'll make sense when you try it.
Yes, the taste.
It'll make sense.
Velvety, it's gorgeous.
And everybody loves sour cream and cakes. Why not in a cookie?
Exactly. And like this little guy, you get the idea. We don't have to.
Right. Okay, fine.
We have it done over here.
Oh, all right. I love it when they let me cheat at the
Yes.
So that's what I'm here for.
Right. We just want to eat the cookie. So here we have the dough already set, and what you do is you add the flour in, and then you mix a little sour cream in until the dough
comes together.
Exactly, until you get this light and fluffy, and you're just gonna scoop it out.
You're gonna scoop that out.
Place it on there.
So easy.
How many would you recommend per tray?
I would do like 6, but it depends on the size.
Oh, because you're getting big then.
Exactly.
You guys are gonna stretch.
Exactly.
And you don't have to be shy with it. You can just like scoop it out with your hands. Use a scoop or whatever you want.
We like to use your hands. You're doing
Good job here.
Yeah, Rachel, you're doing great. We're on your show. You teach us.
No.
So we're doing that, and it's you're gonna get 6 of them in there, and then you're gonna bake it at 350
for about 12 minutes.
About
I would
12
say.
minutes, until the edges get a little bit of brown.
It's gonna look super underbaked at first. It's okay that it looks really, really light, as long as the edges are brown.
It's gonna look like these guys,
exactly,
right?
Exactly.
All right, fine. I'll blow it off again.
Yeah. Let's move on. Let's move on. And what you're going to have are your cookies looking like this.
Right.
Now we're gonna just flip them over.
Gotcha.
Because we need it to be super flat when we put the icing on.
When you put the icing on.
Exactly, like so. And Maya will teach you on.
So with the black and white cookie, you have vanilla and chocolate. So with the vanilla, you want to add your confectioner sugar, your vanilla extract, and you want to
Should I do that with this one too? Because this is going to become
So
the
you want to
chocolate?
slowly pour the milk, and then we also have the chocolate side, which is the cocoa powder. So you're going to add that all in, and then you are going to add your milk, stream it in until it comes to the consistency that you want it. And there you go. We don't teach you.
You've done this before.
Yes.
She's done this before. No, never.
No, I've never made a black and white cookie.
Really?
Or a half moon cookie.
Or a tuxedo cookie.
Tuxedo
Anything
cookie.
you want it to be.
That's a sexy name.
Isn't it?
Yeah. And so once you get that going,
the cookies are cooled.
Yeah, we can make this a little. I do always recommend to put parchment paper in the middle just to make it perfectly even.
Oh,
just to make it easier for you. But we're gonna wing it today. We're just gonna wing it.
We'll just wing it.
We're all about creativity. Yeah.
And if you don't have the parchment paper, you can put one side, let it sit for a while so it gets a little hard.
Yeah.
Right,
Just
so it
molds
starts to set up, right.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And then you get your other side. Perfect.
And guys, get creative with this.
Right.
It's a New York cookie. We're creatives. Get artistic. Do whatever you want. It doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah.
Bring the glitz and the glamour, right?
It can look a little better than this,
Sorry,
but
guys.
it doesn't have to be perfect. And wow, Rachel.
That's it. That's a
crazy.
cricket half moon, but
That's incredible.
too bad.
It's beautiful. We have it in our teeth. We have it in our teeth.
Rachel, you're
where's the Chida ones? They're gorgeous. Oh, do you put salt on these too?
So what Maya and I do is we just add a little pizzazz. You know, we can't be too original, and we, there we go. We add a little sea salt.
And that looks like that looks like stars in the sky next to the half moon.
Yeah. And Rachel, we even took it up a notch, and we added a little bit of 24-karat gold because it reminds us of the skyline. It reminds us of the city lights of New York, and what better way to be, more dramatic.
And
we are bringing
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.